In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in ClickUp. Kanban is a simple, visual way to manage work by moving tasks through stages like to do, in progress, and done. In ClickUp, this takes the form of a board view where each column represents a status and every task appears as a card you can drag and drop. Let's walk through getting set up and using it confidently. Start by heading to clickup.com and logging in. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your workspace right away. If not, choose the login option and continue with Google to authenticate. Select your Google account and complete the sign-in. Using a single sign-on keeps things quick and secure, and it takes you straight into your ClickUp environment. Once you're in, choose the space where you want to use Kanban. A space is a top-level area in ClickUp, typically organized by team, department, or project. Open the space that holds the tasks you want on your board so you're working in the correct context. Inside that space, look for the option to add a new view by clicking the plus sign labeled View. This is how you tell ClickUp how you want to see your tasks. From the view options, select Board, Kanban. ClickUp will create a board that groups your tasks by status, turning your list into visual columns. If your team already uses custom statuses, you'll see those reflected as columns here. Now that you have your Kanban board, you can interact with tasks as cards. Click any task to open its details if you need to review the description, check subtasks, add comments, or adjust fields. This is helpful before you move a task, especially if you're confirming it's actually ready for the next stage. To manage progress, simply click and drag a task card from one column to another. For example, if something was sent back for a revisit but is now complete, drag it from the revisit column into complete. Or if a task needs more work, drag it back to the appropriate stage. When you move a card, ClickUp updates the task's status automatically, so the board and the task details stay in sync. This keeps your workflow accurate without extra clicks. A few tips as you work. Keep columns focused on clear, actionable statuses, avoid overcrowding by regularly moving finished items to done, and use the board to spot bottlenecks. If one column is stacked, that's where attention is needed. With this setup, you now have a straightforward, visual way to track progress and keep your team aligned in ClickUp.